Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Boxycharm and Glossybox. Yeah. Sorry, and they're exactly the same price at like I think $22.63. So it's crazy that
she's right on the money.
Exactly the same.
Sorry, we haven't filmed in a few days. We've just been waiting.
So that looks like that. Hopefully, I'm showing it accurately. Okay, so normally I'll pull the card out first or whatever it comes with, but I'll do that in this case.
We're doing back-to-back videos too, and we're going to start posting them back-to-back, just so you guys know.
So it says make waves, and then of course on the back it lists the products.
Ooh, card.
Okay, so first thing I'm getting out is Dose of Colors. At least I think it's called Dose. I feel stupid if I'm saying that wrong. Rosebud, Erin the color Rosebud Liquid Matte Lipstick. So
says it has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish.
And I had dental work done a couple days ago, so I have stitches in my mouth. So like if you see me making more,
if she's chewing on her cheek,
yeah, or like yeah, it's more than usual, and that's why. I still don't know how to say this. Ciate Lending. Eyeliner cream eyeshadow. I don't really care for like cream eyeshadows. I don't know if it's just our skin or what.
It says it'll help you create long-lasting shimmery eyeshadow look. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper.
And then Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser.
Any cleansers.
Definitely seems like a full size.
Gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup, oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLES free. All skin types approved. That's pretty cool.
Okay, and then Bodyography, Meryl Eye Pencil. So I don't think I've ever had a green one that looks like it's going to be.
This vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. This smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips.
And then
I like everything so far, I think. Shockingly, even the eye pencil.
This is Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. I don't know if I'm...
It says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed blush without the damage of the rays.
It sucks because I don't open it, but I mean, blushes I don't have as many of.
I know. Well, yeah, I wouldn't think you'd put a blush in a giveaway just because she doesn't have very many, and we put a lot of palettes for eyes.
This I'm trying to see if I can open so I can show the colors or at least swatch them or something.
That outside's pretty. Oh, that's
holy
cute.
crap! They're like orangey.
Oh yeah, like peachy.
Oh, peachy.
There's the little, what do you call it? Indentation. The indentation's really cute though, I think.
Yeah, the little.
If I can do this, that is what it looks like really pretty, I think. I mean, I
so
don't know with our skin type.
I think they're pretty good products in this Boxycharm so
far. Even the eyeliners, I said, because it's just a pretty color.
Yeah,
like you don't see eyeliners.
Yeah, so that's
black.
So far, so good. So let's move on to Glossybox. Okay. So this one's like a pull one, right? Let me. I think it's.
When you said pull, I thought you meant like pool. like swimming. That's all I could think of.
Well, I feel like instead of saying like knives or whatever, you would just like tear it like that is what I meant. So it's a kind of a peachy color.
Always the same, right? I feel like it's always that color. I mean, they might change it up once in a while, but I feel like that's the go-to color of that box.
I don't know. I'm all looking around. I'm like, I probably have some laying around here somewhere. Okay, so opening it.
I like what the first thing that she has there says free coffee. And I was like, give me.
It looks like on the inside.
I wonder what that's for.
More coffee?
Or it's probably like a bag of coffee though.
VIP code COFFEEU. Pay just $1 for packing and priority mail. And I'm going to turn that around.
Pretty cool.
Don't know if everyone can use that. I'm guessing you can. Okay, there you go. And then here's the little booklet it comes with. Or I shouldn't say booklet. It like folds out to be a... Shows the products there. Here it says, hey, they're glossies with summer around the corner. Now is the perfect time for a break from heavy winter makeup. Embrace your natural beauty and polish off those winter blues. And it goes on and on. If you want to read it, you can pause it here and look at that. Okay.
A full view.
So I usually just like to dig into whatever the products are. Okay. So first thing is Daily Concepts, individuals who think in the shower daily body scrubber.
It says perfect for buffing away dead skin cells with its texture. This scrubber has a soy-based foam material inside to create a rich lather. Allergy and dermatologist tested. Daily Concepts even incorporated its label to fade so that you know when it's time to replace your scrubber. That's pretty cool.
Okay.
You get 20% off your entire purchase with code DCXGB20 on your dailyconcepts.com.
And then Grow Gorgeous Back into the Roots 10-minute stimulating scalp mask. I feel like we've gotten something like this in the last like 3 boxes we've gotten.
Yeah. Give your hair a boost with this luxurious scalp mask with a healthy combination of burdock root, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and caffeine. This mask will give your hair the extra moisture and volume it craves.
But as long as it's like a liquid, I probably can use it. But the ones that have like a salt scrub type thing, I can't really use that.
20% off Grow Gorgeous products with Glossy20 on lookfantastic.com. So the code's Glossy20.
And then Pur Lisse coconut oil plus coffee sugar body scrub.
So I don't know. I like scrubs sometimes. Coffee and coconut oil? Who doesn't love that combo? As the coconut oil softens and moisturizes your skin, coffee kicks in a high gear to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Enjoy this fresh pick-me-up at the start of the day. And it says receive 20% off with Glossybox 20 as your code for purlisse.com.
Oh, and then there's also Pur Lisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm.
I was like, 2 things. A lightweight oil-free gel cream filled with vitamins A, B, and C. This Aqua Balm keeps skin energized and hydrated for oily, combo, normal, sensitive, and dull skin types that want the energizing benefits of watermelon and other skin nurturing ingredients, including aloe vera, cucumber, and white tea. It's for a lot of skin types. That's good. And it says 20% off your entire purchase with Glossybox 20 on Pur Lisse again, just so you know.
Okie dokie. And then the next thing is it Oriza? Or how do I say that? I feel like
I don't.
If we have products by them, I feel like we should know the name, but I don't. Anyway, Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lip, and nails.
It says it's cruelty-free. This all-purpose skin and lip balm will protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays while it moisturizes and soothes for an all-over dewy effect and is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. So I would like that.
It's like a sunblock or something? Is it?
Does it have anything that says SPF? I know, that's weird.
It says it has UVA and UVB filters. I'm like, how would it have that if it's not?
I know, why doesn't it say? But it does say you get 20% discount on all Orza, or how you pronounce it, beauty purchases made on orzabeauty.com with code GB20 2019.
I'll have to look that up, I think. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna find out. If we can put that in the comments, our description, we'll let you guys know, because it says it protects you, but it doesn't give an SPF. It's like, what are you?
And then the last 2 things I think are 2 masks. One's a watermelon and one's a cucumber. So at least they're different, because then I don't feel so bad to keep both of them.
Yeah, they're different.
If they were duplicates, I'd give her one. But
it says have full control of how you apply your mask with Cocoa Star Sliced Sheet Mask. Unlike traditional masks, you can peel the mask off piece by piece like a sticker. With calming properties, you can apply your mask on your face, neck, under the eyes, and anywhere in between. And then you get 20% off the CocoStarUSA.com with code GlossyMay. So, I don't know, I still like your other one almost better, though.
Than this one.
Because this one's got some random, we're like, like the little roots.
I know, I like the other one better, too. But let us know what you think.
Yeah, which box do you guys like better? And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways and give us a thumbs up if it was quick enough for being a comparison video for you. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.